I looked at this as just an awesome opportunity because as I've been in the field and looking for other roles to like, take on, biotech was like very, very high on my list.
Why is biotech, why was it higher on the list? Because this is something I love to have everybody, even myself, I love to learn more because I know what you're going to say, and this is for people who are thinking about it to consider.
When people want to get into sales and they want to get into medical device, the reason that they're trying to get into this is, it's the cream of the crop. Everybody's like, oh, this is the top place to be, so I want to go do that. So when I was looking at potentially making that switch over from device to pharma, I was like, what's the best division in pharma? Best divisions in pharma were oncology. So if you could get into oncology, you're, again, golden. Biggest thing about that is you have to have a background in pharmaceuticals. You have to start somewhere. And I didn't have a background in pharma. So when I found out about these like rare disease biotech opportunities, I started digging deeper into them, started trying to research them and finding more opportunities. But it was really a recruiter that broke my mind into this entire space. When I was looking to leave Olympus and I was talking with a really good recruiter, which is another like conversation that we can have in the sense of some recruiters are fantastic and other of them, it's pulling teeth to work with somebody. When he brought this opportunity to me, not this one, but the first one, I didn't get the job because I didn't have experience. That's where I learned about biotech. And so biotech can be so many different things, but a lot of times it involves a small organization trying to grow big enough that a company like Novartis or Johnson & Johnson, all these other companies that will come in and just buy them out. A lot of times that's their ultimate goal. They just have a lot of angel investors and capital built into it, and that's what they want. When I was looking into these divisions, I ended up finding this one role that I got at Syneos, and the biotech piece that I work with, a lot of biotech has to do with molecular technology. So the division I'm in, they've figured out how to attach a radioisotope to, like, in layman's terms, like, think there's like a bomb on a bus, essentially, and that bus has to make stops, right? So a bus driver, they'll drive all over the city, but they're only going to stop in so many places. And they figured out a way to put this radioisotope on a peptide, which is your bus, and that radioisotope only stops at the cancerous cells. So it's traveling through your entire body, and it's the opposite of chemo, essentially. Chemo, you're destroying everything within you to rebuild, whereas within this biotech position, this isotope is going through your entire body and only attacking cancer. And that is it for the sneak preview. If you guys are enjoying this content, don't forget to check out the link below. I have an ebook out now that's got a lot of questions answered for you guys to help you within the interview process. If you want to listen to the entire unedited podcast, go check us out at Medical Sales Unfiltered. Weekly content will be dropped, so make sure that you are liking, subscribing, following, all of those great things. And until the next one, keep it unfiltered.